Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're diving into a machine that beautifully blends the soul of heritage with the heartbeat of modern performance, the 2026 BMW R. This motorcycle isn't just another two-wheeler, it's a statement of timeless design meeting future engineering. BMW has once again proved that their legacy of craftsmanship continues to evolve, and the new R series is the perfect proof of that. When you first look at the 2026 BMW R, it's hard not to be captivated by its elegant simplicity and muscular stance. It carries that old-school BMW spirit but wrapped in sleek, contemporary detailing. The tank design has those signature lines that feel sculpted with precision, flowing smoothly into the frame. The chrome accents glimmer subtly, giving a classic touch that reminds you of BMW's deep motorcycling history. The front view with its bold LED headlamp design feels futuristic yet vintage at the same time, almost like the motorcycle is paying respect to its ancestors while marching proudly into the future. Moving around the bike, you'll notice BMW has taken care of even the tiniest detail. The craftsmanship is impeccable, from the perfectly curved fenders to the polished exhaust tips that give off an unmistakable premium vibe. It's that kind of motorcycle that looks stunning from every angle, whether it's parked in your driveway or leaning into a mountain curve. Step closer, and the interior tech side starts to shine through. The 2026 BMW R comes equipped with a fully digital TFT display that merges seamlessly into the cockpit. It provides all the vital information a rider needs, from navigation to performance stats, in crisp clarity. But what really makes it special is how BMW has managed to integrate modern technology without compromising that vintage aesthetic. You still get the essence of a classic BMW motorcycle, just with futuristic intelligence built inside. Underneath all that elegance lies pure power. The heart of the 2026 BMW R is a boxer engine, re-engineered for cleaner performance and smoother delivery. The torque response is instant, giving that satisfying pull every time you twist the throttle. BMW has tuned it to deliver strong mid-range power, making it ideal for both relaxed cruising and spirited rides. The exhaust note has a deep, distinctive growl that only a BMW twin can produce. It's raw, soulful, and genuinely addictive. Handling is where the R truly shines. The lightweight chassis paired with advanced suspension technology makes it incredibly agile, whether you're maneuvering through city streets or gliding on open highways. The low center of gravity gives the rider a balanced, confident feel even at higher speeds. BMW's adaptive riding modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, and road settings with ease, so the motorcycle feels tuned precisely to your riding mood. When it comes to safety and technology, BMW continues to lead the way. The 2026 R comes packed with intelligent features like traction control, cornering ABS, and dynamic stability control. The braking system is sharp and responsive, giving riders complete confidence even under hard braking conditions. There's also advanced connectivity through BMW's Motorrad app, allowing you to pair your smartphone and access music, calls, and navigation with just a touch. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seat is ergonomically designed for long-distance rides, offering perfect cushioning and posture support. The riding triangle feels natural, so you can enjoy hours on the road without fatigue. Even the windscreen has been optimized to deflect air smoothly, keeping your ride calm and composed. In essence, the 2026 BMW R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a blend of heritage and innovation, a symbol of how timeless design can coexist with cutting-edge technology. It's a motorcycle for those who appreciate craftsmanship, performance, and soul in one stunning package. BMW has taken everything we love about their classic bikes and reimagined it for a new era of riders who demand both nostalgia and modern excellence. If you're someone who wants a motorcycle that makes you feel connected every single time you ride, that delivers emotion as much as performance, then the 2026 BMW R is that perfect companion. It's the kind of bike that doesn't just take you places, it makes you feel every mile of the journey in pure style and confidence.